It's time to move to another paddock, they know that they need to go through the dairy first. This dairy is a robotic rotary dairy. That means that cows come to the dairy and are milked by robots as they stand on a platform that is rotating, a bit like a very slow merry-go-round. Each cow has her own identification number, and the blue tag around the cow's neck, called a transponder, tells the computer which cow is on the milking platform. There are 4 robots, each using laser to locate the cow's teats. The first one cleans the teats with warm water and air. As well as cleaning, this stimulates the cow's udder so that she lets down her milk and it flows freely into the milking machine. The next robot puts milking cups on the back 2 teats. The next robot puts cups on the front 2 teats. Then, as the milking platform rotates, the cow is milked. She will be finished by the time she has gone all the way around once. 24 cows can fit on this milking platform, all being milked at the same time. This screen shows all the information that the computer collects from each cow, including how much milk the cow gave from each teat, or if there is something different about her milk. Changes in the milk can mean the cow is getting mastitis, an infection in the udder of the cow that can be very painful. From the milking platform, the milk travels through a series of pipes to the storage tank. This tank can hold 12,000 litres. That's about 18,000 milkshakes. The milk is collected by a truck every day at this dairy, and they sample the milk to make sure that it is the best quality. When the computer senses that each cow is finished milking, the cups are removed and the cow stays on the platform until the exit gate. In the meantime, her teats are sprayed with disinfectant by the last robot to keep her udder healthy. The milking cups and the milking platform are also cleaned, ready for the next cow. If the milking was normal and the cow is healthy, she heads straight out the gate to the feeding troughs. If not, the gates direct her to a separate yard and an alert is sent to the farmer to attend to her. At the feeding trough, the computer reads her transponder and dispenses just the right amount of supplementary feed for each cow. And then it's off to the fresh paddock until it's time for milking again.
Ой, и мелкий прибежал в конце. Это еще не все. Еще все поступления идут. Так, начинается. Блин, они Саня не дают даже сымать. Смотри, они бегают кругами как.
Это сегодня они какие-то вообще голодавшие.
Сейчас надо 2 булки старого хлеба для них взять, блин. Кормить их сегодня. Слышь, надо за капустой сегодня съездить, за той. Все, хоть пожрать им будет. Ты еще постучи, наверное, еще прибегут. Вот ты как скачет, да?
Okay, the handpieces are up. Timekeepers ready. This is the final. Competitors set, go! Away we go. Pinching into the first line. Dion King up the neck. David Fagan up the neck after him. King in front, 6, 5, 7, 8. Watch out, keep up. 9 seconds. David Fagan winding through the long blow. 11, 12. They're both three for home together. Pickle in Hastings. Where's the trophy down tonight? Right over. David Fagan makes it over 19 seconds. 20 seconds out of speed comes. Out comes Dion King. All still there. Into the first one, they're going to get it. Oh, up the neck together. 28 seconds all flying. Round over the first line, legs everyone. 32. Who's going to hit you? David Fagan going over the last front shoulder. Dion King right there. 37. David Fagan right out of the back leg. 42. And the top. 40.
Olha,